Hello guys, use smartphone OnePlus Nord N100. This version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory in the midnight frost color. Okay, look completion, open box, device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. In completion we have documentary and only adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the front side 6.5-inch display, on this side power key, on this volume keys and slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. This is combined slot. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Display IPS HD resolution 6.5 90 Hz. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. CPU Snapdragon 460, octa-core 4+4 cores, 1.6 and 1.8 GHz. Adreno 610, Android 10, resolution HD+, and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Look and auto benchmark results. Under the benchmark results, okay, close this and open the money game GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level. Okay, game works good, close this, and now I show you photos on the main triple camera. We have camera 310 plus main camera 310 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on this camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.